Hello everybody. I believe we got a request not too long ago. Somebody wanted to, or asked us to do a quick little video on the Citrus Grove Rec Center, the little pool area. And I thought we'd come by and just do a little quick tour. Yes, we can get in here. Do a quick tour of the inside of the swimming pool. There's the pool storage, emergency phone. All the rec center pool areas, you can get a vending machine, so you can grab you a nice cold drink. And each pool has, the hers and his bathroom, drinking fountains, and it's got plenty of seating for everybody, as you can see. This area is kind of a shaded area with ceiling fans. Paved floors. Now for into your nice little pool area. The shape of the swimming pool, from my opinion, is kind of a butter bean shape, maybe like a bean shaped type pool. And right here we have a handicap system, so all those people who are handicapped and want to take a cold dip, they just get in there and somebody will turn you around and you can get lowered down inside and enjoying the water just like everybody else can. And this would be the easterly direction. Very pretty afternoon. Hurricane Elsa kind of just swept by us. Didn't really do much of anything around here. Lots of seating all the way around the swimming pool. Most of those seats up here is lattice. Just a lattice roofing. Give you some partial shade. Does help though when it's really hot. Fresh new palm trees. Very pretty. And over here, this is where all the pump system's at. And these are not chlorine pools, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. These saltwater pools. No, I don't mean ocean water. This pool backs up to the local ponding area right here, as you can see. And that there is the villas. I can't think of the name of them right off the bat now. Really a very nice place, and yes, the pool is open here in the village of Citrus Grove. And of course, if anybody's wanting to know, pretty much all of your rec center swimming pool areas will have what they call those little bulletin boards, and it's going to have some little local information. Not that there's really much here. Some scheduling down here for shuffleboard courts, Boca courts. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that word correctly. Corn toss courts, the hours of operation, when you can play, little bulletin board area. Little bike rack for all you bikers. And of course, this is going to be the postal station for all the local villagers here in Citrus Grove. It's really a good size postal area, but everybody you're going to get rectangular size, and these are for like parcels packaging that you will get. They will put a key in your box if you have a package that's waiting for you in there. You just open it up and take it out, and then you put the key back. I actually have another video demonstrating that on a previous video. And as we wander over here to the right, let's take a closer look at the shuffleboard courts. For those who may not know what this is or seen these before. Score charts off out there in the distance for shuffleboards. And you got another game area. Kind of like putt green, if you will. Got a 1 and a 2 for all those who like to play that. But if you notice, we're going to walk over here. As I referenced before, these are the Alyssa Villas, by the way. The Alyssa Villas. But if you walk this way, underneath the gazebo, you can have a little picnic area. Nice, beautiful Spanish oak trees. You can come over here to the cornhole section. And occasionally you'll see people playing cornhole. If you like that sort of thing. Some seating. So for those of you who are looking into the village of Citrus Grove and are curious about what your pool area is going to look like, your area rec center, as I call it, this is the adult pool now, your neighborhood adult pool. This is not the family pool here in Citrus Grove. This is what you're going to get to come to see. All the beautiful trees out there. Well, there you are, to the lady who requested to see. If you haven't done so, if you would, please subscribe to the channel. Click that like button. Ring that notification bell, and you'll always be posted as to when we post a new video. And we hope this will inspire somebody to want to move to paradise. And that when you do, this is going to be your local neighborhood swimming area. Postal Service. Have a great day, folks. Thank you.